The primary cause of acne is clogged pores due to the accumulation of dirt, oil, and bacteria. To combat this, it's crucial to cleanse your face and use a skin purifying toner to prevent excess oil production and maintain clear and healthy skin. Limit your scrubbing to once or twice a week to avoid excessive irritation and maintain a healthy balance for your skin. You can use Good Vibes Activated Charcoal Deep Cleansing Face Wash to effectively remove impurities and dirt. Popping acne can worsen the condition. Instead, opt for a suitable solution like the tea tree and papaya oil control serum from Good Vibes. It's a powerful serum that helps soothe and treat acne effectively. The bacteria on the surface of your phone can come in contact with your skin, aggravating acne. The simple solution is to regularly clean your screens to minimize bacterial transfer and maintain healthy skin. We hope you found this video useful, and don't forget to check out our other videos for similar tips and suggestions. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.